Welcome back to another cooking video. In this one I will be showing you how I make my breaded steak and my simple at-home mac and cheese for my kids. I have my water boiling, getting ready for the noodles. Here I prepared my meat, so I had 3 big pieces and I cut them in half, so now I have 6 pieces to make. I don't have the elbows, but I have ziti, and it's okay because it says macaroni on it, so it should be fine, right? So I put half the box. I put half a box, and then I'm gonna stir it and let this cook. Let it get stuck to the bottom. Now I'm gonna get everything ready so I can start breading my steaks, and I'll show you that. Flour. Okay, so I put flour down first. Then I put some of the plain panko. Panko? I think that's how you say it. And then I top it off with the Italian seasoning breadcrumbs, and now I will mix it all together, crack some eggs, and then start breading my steaks. This is how it looks when it's done. When you're getting everything prepared, while you're getting everything prepared, you will want to start getting your oil ready and hot. Okay, so this part you want to be careful when you're placing your steaks into the oil. I'm going to be draining my noodles as well. I will get everything prepared so I can make it into a cheesy mac. Okay, so to start, I put splash of milk onto the bottom of my pot. The fire is off, but the pot is hot. I put half a stick of butter, some black pepper, and then some paprika. Now I will add the cheese and then add the noodles back and stir it together. When your steaks start to look like this, that's when you're going to want to flip it over. As so. Look how beautiful that is. Look at that. I forgot to cut the cheeses. So right here I have 3 different cheeses. I got shredded Monterey Jack, cheddar, Colby cheese, Colby, and cream cheese, and then I will also be throwing in some mozzarella cheese to make it nice and creamy. Okay, now that I have my mozzarella on top as well, I will start mixing and then add the noodles in and then mix it as well. Add in my noodles, and then you're going to want to start mixing and mixing so it can start melting everything together. Okay, and then this is how my creamy, sticky mac and cheese comes out for my kiddos, and they love it. Look at how nice and sticky it is. Even my picky eater Bugs likes it as well because it's like has no coloration. She's a very picky baby, and the coloration and certain textures throw her off. So to make these kids eat, you know, look at that. Look at the pull on the cheese. And I degrease them. Look how beautiful that is.